How to clean super dirty wheels, full cover and brake dust. Spray Auto Wash Basics Acid Wheel Cleaner and make sure to cover crevices, edges, and the whole affected area. We're gonna wait from 5 to 10 seconds and rinse it off. You can still do it with a carton hose and still gonna work because the performance isn't the product. That's the one in charge to lift off the dirt from the wheel. As you can see, all the gunk and dirt is going away like butter without prior brushing or agitation. In certain cases, you still need light agitation, but no more than that. Always make sure to do it in the shade, in a warm to cold surface, avoid prior rinsing, and don't forget to wear a mask and gloves. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on auto detailing. Thank you.